Hey y'all, Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, I want to make some succulent arrangements using some smaller containers. I think this will be a beautiful addition either to your Etsy shop, or I'm using them for my own home decor. So if you want to put them in your own home, or even to give away as gifts for the holidays, the upcoming holidays. All right, so these are containers. I bought these wholesale, I think. Oh no, I got them at home, the at-home store. This was for $5.99. They are concrete, and I don't think I glued mine in. Maybe I glued this one. I don't think I glued this one. Yeah, I did not glue this one. So this one is just foam. See, here's the inside. I just put some foam down in the center, just like this, so I can reuse it again and again. This one I do believe I hot glued in, and then I thought, what if I want to reuse it again? And then I'll have to, the foam will have to come out. So I'm just going to stuff it without glue, but if you're going to ship, you obviously want to glue it down. If you don't find anything at home, the at-home store with these smaller containers. So the square one is about 4 by 4. And then the round one is 4 inches wide. This is something I found at Walmart. So this is a Better Homes and Garden cereal bowl, nut bowl, but it's the same. It's a little, you could use this easily for a container to make a succulent arrangement. Okay, so that's an option if you can't find something. Okay, so what was I going to do? I was going to do this one first. All right, so let me pull this. These you can get these from anywhere. You can find them at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere that they sell, floral stuff. This one, some of these I did buy from wholesale. Like this one came from Pioneer Wholesale. This came from Pioneer Wholesale. This came from Regency. And it's got a little thing falling off. Let's put these back on. This one came from Regency. It's important that when you're dealing with these succulents that you make sure to look at them in real life, because to make it look as real as possible, you don't want to bend things and have them drape over the side if that's not the way they were meant to grow in nature. This one came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so you can see you could get these pretty much from everywhere. And then where did this one come? This one's from Pioneer. Here's another one that's like a bright green from Pioneer. And I was trying to see if there was, this one came from Sims Pottery. So you see, I just kind of get them and collect them from all over the place. All right, what we're going to do is this one, I want something for height right here in the center. All right, so I'm going to put this one in the center. I've already put the foam in, and I've already got my moss covered, and I used an awl in order to make the hole a little bit bigger right here, because this is a very thick stem, and this is kind of heavy. So whenever you got a heavy stem, you need it to have length in order to hold up the weight, okay? So I already did a little bit of a hole using my awl and just rotating it around. So what I'm going to do is dip this in the hot glue, and I'm going to place it right in the center, and this is going to give us some height. Okay, just going to push that down in here. Okay, so we've got some height. Don't want to push those out too much because that's how it grows, really tight together. And here it is. So you can see how much height that we have on it. So the other side, I've picked out these that have a little bit of a brown tip, and this has a little bit of brown. This has a little bit of brown and green. This is all lime green, but if you look really closely on this succulent, there's some lime green. So I think that's going to go really pretty with it. So I'm sort of using this one, the centerpiece, as my coloring, and then I'm going to work from there. So let's see. We want to trim this. I'm going to put this on one side. All right, and now I'm going to go over here, and I think I want, let's do, this is lime green, and this has got some lime green, so let's do this one over here. Let me get a little bit of a stem action right there. You can go back in and add more foam on the ends if you need to, or if you find any holes. Right, there's that. I'm just going to spread these out a little. Okay, so let's get this one added. I don't want it as tall as this one, so I'm going to cut these short. So I've got one over here. This one is close in. So it's a little layering going on right there. And we'll do the other one close as well. So we've got that going right there. Okay, and then I've got this. It feels like it needs another, I think that's 2 lime green. All right, let's just go with this one. I'm gonna see if I can untwist these. Just pulling out a little bit. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, just unravel a little bit to give it more of a stem. We'll glue this one back on that we pulled off. Let's see if it's going to go back on. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. That one might be lost. All right, let's bend this. Just going to put it close. That's a little too close. I'm recording this on a Saturday, and the boys are in there watching the game, so you may hear a little yelping. Yelping, that's hilarious. A little, I kind of like just that one. I do wish I had another one of these. There. Just bent it up a little bit so it's not sticking so far out. Now it blends really pretty with that. I do like that. And let's see, do I want to just put that one here and call it a day? We've got this one. It looks similar to this. And I think that's, we've got this as well. Oh, I like that. Let's put this one in. So these would make really good gifts. Perfect size right there. Look at that. How fun. And it's just, if you've got a little area that has the moss is showing, you just can shove some little, the foam is showing, we can just put a little moss right there on the edge. So this could go in a bathroom. It can go on a side table, in the foyer. It can go, on a teacher's desk, your secretary's desk. It's a classy little arrangement. I'm just going to use a U-pen Just secure that one and try to get all that moss up here so we don't see it. All right, so there's that one. That's done. And let's do this one. All right, we're going to use this for the centerpiece. I think this is, let's see if I can cut this in any way. Oh my goodness, that's pretty heavy stem. All right, we're getting that done. Let's make some room with our, okay, we're going to go ahead and put some glue in here. Get that down. There's that one. And I do have these little pieces over here. Let's put, we've got a little bit more of a larger room over here. So I think I'm going to put this one on this side. What do I want this one? I like this color. I like this color. Okay, we'll put this one right here. We've got this, and we've got these. They look similar to this one, so I'm gonna stick it over on this side, I think. So we're gonna just disperse some of that shape a little. So I'm looking at the coloring as well as the shape. I don't think we're gonna be able to fit a third one in here. Or are we? Let's see if I can fit it right there. Okay, so we got that. Maybe I'm overcrowding it, I don't know. And we'll do this one. I feel like it needs another texture. I like this. Let's redo that one. That looks good. All right, and I have a little bit, some holes right there. I'm just gonna grab my moss, just put it in there. So these are just some fun little arrangements that you can have, either make for your home or use them as gift-giving ideas for the upcoming holidays. They make great teacher gifts, like I said, little arrangements for weddings. There we have it. Let's get this guy. He's a little squished. There, fluff it. All right, so here we have two really cute little succulent arrangements that you can use for home decor or to give as gifts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions below. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, or if you're watching this in Wreath of the Month Club group, make sure to comment and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.